Check out how we made these super dope loft beds for our girls on today's video. Hey, welcome to our very first DIY video. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the project that we've got going on today.
This is our girls' bedroom. Caroline and Penelope both have been in this room, and we are going to try building a loft bed and fit a third bed underneath so that Juliet can also room with her big sisters, and then Juliet's room is going to get turned into an office.
When we measured this back wall, we discovered that it was just the right size for 2 twin beds to fit end to end. So the plan for this project is to mount lumber along the back wall, followed by the 2 sides, and then box it in around the front. Then we're going to use metal hanging brackets to create a floor system that will support a plywood deck for the mattresses to lay on. To support the middle, we will install 2 4x4 posts that will serve as the ladder. To finish it off, we will install a secure guardrail and custom lighting. So here we go.
Right here, I have all of the iron pieces lined up, ready to be spray painted. Since the beds are going to be up high in the air, we wanted to be able to have some kind of lamp or light for the girls. And so we picked up these at Menards, but black just really isn't the look that we're going for because it makes it look like too modern, and it's a girls' room and there's sprinkles on the wall, and so we're gonna paint them a fun color. Quick tip, when you are spray painting something that is already black and you want it to be a bright, fun color like yellow or turquoise or pink, you're gonna have to spray paint that black item multiple times and you're still not gonna get the exact same color that you're hoping for. Give it a quick little dusting of some white spray paint first because it's gonna pop that color for you when you spray it on.
To fasten the main support for the bed, we're using 3-inch lag screws. We're going 1 in each stud.
On our end walls, we decided to double up on the lags because we only had 2 studs to drill into. So we decided we'll just double up to give it some extra support. Alright, so we have cut the posts that we are to use in the center of our loft bed as a ladder. And because we have wood floor, we want to be able to protect that so that when we do take this loft bed down, who knows when, our floor isn't destroyed. So we've got these little felt pads. So I'm just going to peel it off, stick it on here, and then we will cut off the extra. Alright, so we have the frame of our loft bed up. You saw that we put in a bunch of lags into our studs on the sides, and then we attached a front board, which we have also used lags on to secure it. And then we have these 4x4 posts that we are going to use as our ladder because when the beds are up there, it's going to be twin beds, 2 twin beds, and it's also helping support some extra weight here in the middle. And then we have fashioned our ladder, or our steps for our ladder, out of iron pipe, 1-inch pipe. And so we're gonna stagger these from the ground up as their way to get up. We're also going to have a guardrail that's made out of 3/4-inch iron pipes. Okay, so now I am hanging these brackets to help support the weight of the bed. So these stringers will have 2x4s that tuck down in them, and then we'll have a sheet of plywood on top of that, which then the mattress will go on top of. up in the loft attaching the plywood to our 2x4s. I'm just using some regular drywall screws and attaching it, and you can hear Kylie cutting the next piece.
Steps of built. You want to test them out?
Yes.
Let's see it.
Get it, girl?
Woohoo! Yeah, it's pretty easy to climb.
Awesome.
What do you think?
And then we're gonna put
I like
these guardrails up there.
Yes.
Caroline loves to read at night, Pia loves to read at night, and the lamps are down there. So we got these awesome, like super cute braided lamp cords at Menards. They come in like 3 different colors, but it has a switch even. Bought the cage, which I painted turquoise, and we added the Edison bulb. So now they can read, and then when it's time to go to bed, we don't have to come back in. Hello, welcome to every kid's dream bedroom. Our girls are over the moon, so excited about this loft bed that we built them, and now we have all 3 girls in one room. So let me just take you on a tour. Okay, so this is what the girls have coined the rainbow room. It is just a fun little nook for them to relax, read books, play guitar, play on their Kindles, and if they just need some time away from other people, they can close these curtains and just totally chillax, as they like to say. Right over here is Jules' little nook, little Juliet. She loves these lights that we got. I don't have a remote, but they're just these LED lights from Walmart that were $5, and they stick up there and you can change the colors on them. It can be rainbow. She loves when they strobe, but this is her little nook, and we made it special with her books and her little toys. But she absolutely loves sharing a room with her big sisters. And then we've got the loft beds up here. We got Pia's side, Caroline's side, and like I said, we originally had this rail and it only went to here. And we felt as parents that it just wasn't high enough, and so we went back to the store today and added this second rail. So now they can't roll out, there's no fear of them falling over the edge, and we absolutely love this project that we have, and we've been able to fit so much more stuff in this room than we did before. So we hope that you guys loved following this project along, and that you got some of your own DIY tips so you can do your own project.